In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email in DocuSign, giving you a full guide tailored for 2025. Whether you're managing personal information or navigating corporate structures, updating your DocuSign email is crucial for seamless communication and document handling. So let's get started. First, head over to DocuSign.com. Here, you'll need to log in with your current email and password. This ensures you're accessing your existing account where all your important documents and settings are stored. Once you're in, take a moment to locate your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this will give you a drop-down menu. Select My Preferences, or it might appear as Account Preferences depending on your version. This section is your gateway to managing all personal settings within DocuSign. Now that you're in the right section, it's time to focus on changing your email. Navigate to the Personal Information category. Here under email address, you'll see an edit option. Click on that. You'll be prompted to enter your new email address. Make sure it's typed correctly to avoid any future login issues. DocuSign will send a confirmation email to this new address, so be on the lookout. Once you receive this email, open it up and click on the verification link provided. This step is crucial for securing the change and ensuring your new email is active within DocuSign's system. After you've clicked that verification link, the next thing you need to do is log into DocuSign using your new email address. You'll find that all your account history, any templates you've set up, and previously signed documents remain intact, so no worries there. You're now ready to continue using DocuSign with your updated information. If you happen to be part of an organization or business account, things can work a little differently. Specifically, only an account admin holds the authority to update email addresses in this scenario. If you encounter any restrictions, like a locked option, reach out to your company's DocuSign admin. Admins have a special path to follow. Under Admin, go to Users, select the appropriate user, then choose Edit Profile, and from there, change email. Now let's address what happens to any messages sent to your old email after you make this update. Any envelopes or communications that were sent before you changed your email will stay at your old address. Moving forward, all new envelopes will be directed to your new email address. To smooth out any potential hiccups, it's a good practice to inform your regular contacts, such as clients or team members, about this email change. This proactive step will help prevent any confusion or missed documents. And there you have it, a clear step-by-step guide to updating your DocuSign email for 2025. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more